Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to make animated text split in Canva. So open your design and go to text, write like life word and resize the font and change the font to Anthem or any font that you want. Change the color to white color and download the page as PNG and transparent background. Delete the text and upload the image. And change page background. And insert the photo, crop it and duplicate text image and crop it to the middle, crop the first image also, and go to text, alright, happy, and change the font also. I will choose like this font and change the color to the same color of the background. And make it behind of the photos. And add a square shape. Change the color to white color. Decrease transparency to 0. Move it to behind of the photos. Now duplicate the page. Crop the image, first image to the half, drag it to the bottom of the page. And the first image also, crop it to the half and move it to the top of the page. The shape also, increase the transparency to 100. And the resize up font. The reduce letter spacing for a little bit. And the resize and add some scratch effect and change the color to the red color. You can duplicate it and change the second to the white color also, and duplicate the first page and make it the end of the second page, and go to transition, select match and move, increase the duration and press apply between all pages. Click on duration. Finally, our animated text split is ready. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe and see you in next tutorial.